Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bubble Moisturizer. First, it's essential to start with a clean canvas. Begin by washing your face with a mild cleanser to remove any impurities or makeup. After cleansing, gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel, leaving it slightly damp. This helps the moisturizer absorb better. Remember to always have clean hands before touching your face or product. Now, let's talk about application. Take a small, pea-sized amount of your Bubble Moisturizer onto your fingertips. This is usually enough for your entire face. Gently dot the product onto key areas like your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Then, using light, upward, and outward circular motions, gently massage the moisturizer into your skin until it's fully absorbed. Be gentle around the delicate eye area. To maximize the benefits of your Bubble Moisturizer, consistency is key. Aim to apply it twice a day, once in the morning and again before bed. In the morning, after moisturizing, always follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. This protects your skin from harmful UV rays. Also, store your moisturizer in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its efficacy. Finally, let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid. Using too much product can leave your skin feeling greasy and may not absorb properly, so stick to a pea-sized amount. Also, avoid harsh rubbing or pulling on your skin during application, as this can cause irritation. Always ensure your face is clean before applying moisturizer. Applying to dirty skin can trap impurities. Gentle care yields the best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.